Welcome back to Broken Arrows Production Facility.
One of the most frequently asked questions is, can the fold bag machine fold the laundry?
And since we hate folding our laundry as much as we do, we said let's try it out and see what we can do. All right, let's go.
We got a kid's blanket here. Will it fold it? What do you guys think? I think yes.
I agree. I think it's gonna fold. How about that? That looked pretty good, didn't it?
Next up, everybody hates sheets. That's better than I would fold it.
I would assume that this fold, as sloppy as it may be, but it's better than having your husband or your kids fold it, I'm sure.
All right, next up, how about these jeans?
That is a very nice fold.
Definitely better than my blue jeans fold is. That looks like brand new pair of blue
I was gonna
jeans.
say, let's try, what is this?
Dress.
A dress?
Yeah, a dress.
Summer dress right here. Let's see what that does.
Well, that's a winner.
Yes, it is.
I brought one more thing to try because my grandma always folded her foil after she used it. So I wanted to see if it could fold this big foil piece. Fail. Too light. That was fun, but I think it's more efficient to just fold your clothes at home.
It's
Sorry,
definitely more
people.
efficient than bringing it to
Wah,
us.
wah.